let's go on YouTube to what we have is a 52-inch Emerson ProSeries ceiling fan that I got. It's actually called, it's interesting story. I got this off the curb, actually. Yes, the curb. Is in my grandma's neighborhood. So, had everything except for the 2 campus schools, but that's fine. Fine, yeah. Still, yeah, and then come right first. Let's respect all sweets. I'll put some daylight, 6 to white, hour dyes and that. And it's actually way calmer than I thought it was going to be. Because I definitely isn't pushing yet. But yeah, and let's see, Warner Bros. Is open down one time they pitched. But I fixed those now you can't tell at all. And it has no wobble, even before I fixed the boards, it didn't wobble. I cleaned it, actually wasn't too dirty, but I cleaned it. Saw the boards are greasy shit though, I got some off it, not all of it. So the story is, it's not a big story, but the story is, my mind was going out. Sorry, it's freezing, my nose fucked up. But story 2 is, me and Matt were coming out of the car and then we decided to get Sonic. And we, my grandma called us, we coming in and said, there's a ceiling fan on the side, that's my dad's giant ass feet. But my grandma calls us and says, hey, there's a ceiling fan on the curb at this house in the neighborhood. So we went, put that and got it. And my aunt's got one of those small cars and it almost fit in the trunk. It almost, but she's also a shit in her trunk, but it almost fit in the trunk. But not all the way. So what we had to do, because only 8 houses down from my grandma's house, so what we did was just put it in the trunk, but trunk wasn't shut. So we drove home very slowly with the trunk open and just had the hazards on it. So, yeah. That's how we got that bitch to my grandma's house, and then I just sat in her garage for a day for storage until I came home, and I put in her truck, so, and then we went with my mom and doing her car, now it's up here. So, yeah. Let's do a close-up of it. Sorry, it's fucking freezing. 65 now, so it's about down here it's freezing. Gotta tell you, it's got a little neat design there. Do we know about this fan? Yeah. Why is it like that, you might ask? Well, I don't know if you know, but I don't know what that piece is called. No, there's usually a thing between this. No, usually there's a thing between the gold. There's usually something that there's usually something between the gold, like up here, like in there. That piece, yeah, there's usually a white piece up here, and it was broke. I don't know how it happened, but I didn't do it. It's what that. I got it. So, I found a piece. But this was cooking because of it, but it don't stay there. And then the other weird thing is, this is loosened slightly. The red tying all the way, the chain gets stuck. It's weird. I don't know. Fucking on, but whatever. Ain't gonna fall. And the blade brackets, it goes big for his blade brackets, but it stunk, nice. Blade brackets, it's got design in there, how blade brackets, blade, top of it, and yeah. something more. I could show you today, but I just don't feel like it anymore. Guess people comment and ask what the dates I'll start doing that again. There's that tag. I go upside down. See, it was missing both of those screws, which is fine. But switch is right there. So, let me put you assholes back on the tripod here. Almost stopped the video. I hate when the video stops. Look like it didn't stop though. So good. That should be centered. If not, I'll fix it while I turn it on. Cause that was on. So it's on okay. And got flash coming in. It's got 3 lights in it, and it's got 3 daylight hour dies and light. Yeah, so it's up, you guys see. Gold looks really yellow. I don't know why. I'm going to tell. Oh, it looks really nice and white with these on there. Ain't telling you kind of tells you, but I know the rest of it's on in the room. It's easy to tell, but yeah, so is white. The tension pulls really good actually. It's actually a fast one. It was fast too. No, whatever. Okay. And see, I got the boys in good alignment. There's only 2 I had to mess with. It didn't take very long. So, yeah. I could put a fine piece of light, get that gold from doing that, but I'm going to probably put a file because I suddenly do something I don't do it because it's not that important. But, no. I tried today, looking through my porch on it, but I don't have anything that's big enough fit between the bucket and that globe. So yeah, it's centered enough. Sorry, my bad choice. I better fucking keep on. That's not the roads. I don't think it's rolling. Oh, I think that chain still is moving. What was that to it? It actually blows a lot of wow. It blows air like ice being a little thing or some shit. I'm telling you, there was one when I fought one. I thought it would just be like one of those cheap Walmart builders or whatever. No, it's actually pretty good. It's got good blueprints too. Dude, he's whipping the wind like a motherfucker. Good, and this is your contractor fans. This is good. I don't see why PX would put these in the house when they built the house. I'm online. If I don't want that house and it had these, I won't heat them. You know, if I didn't have a choice to place them, I won't heat them to death. Like a little tin or some shit, you know? Then that somebody would hate. Will I put these in my house if I own my own house? No, but, you know, I like them, they're not bad. I'm gonna keep this one, cause I do like it. Say what you want them fucks, but I like them. So, it's staying in my collection, for now at least. Goes way fucking fast. Faster than my Emerson. Faster than my premium, but I suppose almost in my middle west. My premium. perspective because it's a good grade. It's 5 for shit on 4 days. With my finger wall. Okay, the thing knows. There's a thing except that doesn't root up in this graphic. This one's way possible. Alright, moving on. Time to white cut. The fucking white cat. Think you just got a fan for this. I recommend it. If you have a mom out there that wants, modern fancy house, and, get one of these. These would be good. These will be good for that situation. Right off. Actually, was curved by that switch. For this car, where one spin down. I don't know, maybe we'll fucking see. Actually, not too bad. Longer type video, because that story shot the time at the beginning of the video. Oh damn, I just shot those because I was serious. I'm 5 foot that. I'm making those switch time. Yeah, god damn it. There's a lamp I pull over here. I keep fucking running into it. No way. Well, it's on low. I feel quiet in this fucking doorway, bro. It's kind of nuts how much I'm from it. Because it's not super close. It's close when it's super close. I feel like good my ear from this. So, this will not heat up as well as a fan for sure a while ago. Down drive for wood probably bit high enough with a heater above it. Medium camera crapping HD. Now it's really boring out. Ain't spend the day fucking up. Definitely, that's a lot showing this thing to that much. Just being gay fan. Goes pointing in the doorway. And yep, it's being a gay fan. She's a good bummer symbol. I should give you a second. Saying, oh wow, later this weekend. Springer gave him pretty. Fans used to spin a roll profile. They haven't done that in forever. I don't know what's going on with it. Oh, yep. see this symbol too. Don't spin low profile anymore. I'm not going. It's actually fucking my eyes. It's so cold. So I did show the high stuff. So I showed this. So it's people that go. Yeah, so high. Get myself away. Oh, that was a startup. So I'll do that. Because I can get stuff more. Fans have stuff more, I'll do it too. But if they don't have stuff more, I don't shoot stuff more. Alright, I will do startups on the good switch because it ain't bad for the well, I'm gonna get the camera right there. Can't get like way up there because it's just taking. Maybe I can. Sorry, guys. That's as close to me. It's right here. I go out the shot the fuck up. Okay, guys? I didn't really hit that time. Guys here, cool. I'm sorry. So back to road the way on. I hope you enjoy my soon. So peace out, fuckers.